I'll show you how bad this is, look. Clunking like fuck. There's that fucking wall. Oh, Christ. Another Batmobile. It's horrendous, Joel. You've never seen out like it, kid. You've never seen out like it in your life. Ah, fucking end. This was roaming round when the dinosaurs were roaming. Level all that out, look. Look at that. Shocking. Absolutely shocking. I'm going to attempt to change gear in a minute. Fucking hell, I'm sweating. Done it. Change gear without fucking it up, Anna. Them views, love. The only highlight of my fucking day, these views. Fucking hell. Mate, didn't like that, did it? Look at that. They lost all the shit in me, but what's going on with my phone? What's going on with my phone now? Weird. What's that? Weird.